We continue doing experiments and exploring colors with my children. Today we discussed what the color white is. In order to understand why we see the color white and what colors it's made of, we created a cardboard spinner. We used pencils, a string, and a circle of cardboard. I painted this circle in 7 rainbow colors and made 2 openings next to the center. Artyom put the string through them and covered the ends of the string. It's very difficult for children to understand that we can see white when an object reflects all the colors of visible light, but they can see it with their own eyes by spinning a colored circle.
White color!
When the spinner spins quickly, our eyes cannot identify each color separately. All colors mix and reflect at the same time. As a result, we see white. Now the children have thought of another question: what's black? Subscribe to my channel if you like this approach to children's education. You can also scroll to the description where you will find all the links to our experiments with colors. Bye!